फील्डिंग ली है फील्डिंग बॉलर बताता हूँ बैटर्स बॉलिंग कर रहा है बैटिंग सेलेक्टिव कर रहा है दीपाली ओपन कर रही है और सेलेक्टिव बैटिंग कर रहा है सिलेक्टिव टॉस जीता सिलेक्टिव फील्डिंग लिया सिलेक्टिव टॉस जीत के फील्डिंग सेलेक्टिव फील्डिंग कर रहा है सेलेक्टिव फील्डिंग करना है लास्ट में बैटिंग कर रहा है उसको स्कोरिंग करने से मैंने उसको बॉल कौन कर रहा है वो देखते हैं अभी बैटिंग कर रही है टाइगर में कौन है दीपाली माझ्यावर होते तसं और बॉलिंग कौन कर रहा है बॉलर से एक मिनट बस लोग बता रहा हूँ हो गया ना ये तुम लोग का हुआ बॉलर से गुड टू गो यस हम तो सब रेडी लिखना
All right, good to go. The first match from the women's category, EPL 2025. Let's place the call from the umpire. Talati Titans taking on Selective 11. So the toss went in favor of Selective 11. The captain had no hesitation to field first. Dipali, the captain, alongside Mannat, who is at the non-strikers end, and the bowler Kanta has started the preceding. Oh, run out opportunity. Was a very tight call. Had the fielder been swifter, would have made the things interesting there. But eventually, both the batters, they are home safely. Half volley delivery. Bang on the target. If you miss by the bat, hit by the pad. This is very good contest. A top bowler up against a top batter. Sensibly done. Oh, both the batters are the same end. And one of them has to pay the price. We'll have to wait for the umpire's call. And eventually he raises his finger. It's the captain Dipali has to depart. It was never a run there. Never a run there. More than a run out, it's a sacrifice done by the captain Dipali. Still has a smile on her face. Walks back to the pavilion. Terrible. But good game awareness there by the fielders. In spite of all the chaos was happening out in the middle, the fielder kept her nerves, and the throw was accurate and came at the right end. What a bowler! What a bowler! Kanta Prajapati! Remember the name! We did mention he's a top bowler, and once again, living up to the reputation. Thank you, DJ. बहुत बड़ा झटका लगता हुआ यहाँ पर तलाठी टाइटंस को, रीमा जैसे भागड़ बल्लेबाज को सस्ते में पवेलियन वापस भेज दिया है यहाँ पर गेंदबाज कांता ने। ये बिल्कुल गेंदबाज के चेहरे पर हंसी है क्योंकि बड़ी मछली फंसी है। Not the kind of start Talati Titans needed. Anupama, the new batter, out in the middle, came out to bat at number 4. And that's what a wicket can do to you as a bowler. Kanta, she has hardly bowled any loose delivery in that first over. What a bowler. 1 over done. Talati Titans, -7 for loss of 2 wicket. Umpires, please wait. There was hardly bounce off that delivery outside edge, but even that didn't carry to the keeper. Dot ball to start off. Full toss delivery, and she knows that she missed it. Missed an opportunity. Two dot balls, and the both batters will discuss. Well, we all know Anupama Shah, a destructive batter, known for her power hitting skills. There it is, smartly done. And always you need a batter like her. Anupama brings the calmness, and that's what you need at the moment, the experience that she has got alongside her partner Mannat. Selective 11. They are having a dream start here against a quality side, Talati Titans. They are a damn good team. The scoreboard, it doesn't do justice. Wickets after wickets. Oh, they are tumbling here. Talati Titans, they need a pair of batters who can play at least a couple of overs together without throwing a wicket away. -10 for 3, 2.1. Lipika Jha, the bowler. Monica and Anupama Shah. They have the owners on their shoulders to take the team out of trouble first, play sensibly, and also to take the team's total to the score of respectability. Very well done. Very, very well done. That's what they need to do, at least for 2 to 3 overs more. Just tip the ball, just find the gap on the onside, offside. Keep the scoreboard ticking and moving. Oh, that ball bounced twice, thrice before it reaches to the batter. It's a no ball. It has to be a no ball. Yes, it is. And it's a free hit delivery. Anupama goes off the back foot once again. Exposing all the stumps, was looking to cash in that free hit delivery, but only to get an inside edge. Very well struck, and once again both the batters were coming at the same end. Lipika. The throw was needed. The throw was needed at the striker's end. -8 for 3. Going off the back foot, playing on the onside. Seems to be the productive shot at the moment for the team. Talati Titans, 3 overs done. -7 for 3. Exquisite Premier League 2025 is the first game going on from the women's category. We have got 3 powerful squads from the women's category: Talati Titans, Tessito Tigers, and Selective 11. At the moment, Talati Titans locking horns against Selective 11, where Selective 11, they are on top at the moment after 3 overs. -7 for 3. But you trust Talati Titans to fight back. That's what they are known for. Oh, she hasn't timed it. Outside edge, and that ball wasn't far from that fielder, was close to the batter. The experience of Neha Agarwal up against the potential of Monika Sharma. Three fielders, they thought of going after it, but none of them even came close to it. Oh, very well done, very well done. A better throw at the non-striker's end. Could have been something which Talati Titans wouldn't have liked. At the moment, they will get a single. Will have to settle for one. Oh, it's an opportunity. Opportunity. Opportunity was there to be for the catch to be taken, but the ball races away to the boundary. 1 bounce, 2 bounce into the fence. The first boundary of the Mani tonight from the women's category, coming from the blade of none other than Anupama Shah. Oh, there she goes. The ball goes in the air. Has it gone the distance? Oh, yes, it is. It wasn't an easy shot to play. She quickly rocks back deep in the crease, and it was everything. Powerful yet stylish. So finally, Anupama Shah has announced her arrival here in EPL 2025. Oh, the last thing they needed a run out. Now the question is, was that needed? They got 10 of 2 deliveries. And a great piece of work done by the photographer. As you can see, the view we are getting to see from the drone camera is something to watch. At the moment, Talati Titans, they are 5 for 4 after 4. A bit of recovery has been done so far. We are halfway through. 4 overs done, 4 overs yet to be bowled. Right arm round the sticks and Anupama decided to let it go through the keeper. Oh, for a moment, once again, the spectators of the Talati Titans, they had their heart in mouth because that ball was in the air and it wasn't far from the edge of the turf. Well, if you're watching the scorecard, reading the scorecard on Cricket Heroes, you can see Talati Titans 5 for 4 at the moment and Anupama Shah batting on 18 of 15. Such has been the rule of this beautifully organized cricket tournament. Bhagwati, the bowler. Another very clever and smart bowler into the attack up against a quality batter, Meher. It's a free hit delivery, was looking to play across the line. Hits on the pad for dot ball. Oh, very well struck. Has that ball gone into the declare zone? Nothing from the umpire. That means only a single. Easily done. Dealing in singles at the moment. TT, Talati Titans. After being invited to bat, we are into the 5th over. The score reads 8 for 4. Very well done. These are the 2 good batters out in the middle for Talati Titans. Well, they bat deep. So what the top orders, they didn't click. They have got strong middle orders and they are doing the job at the moment for the team. 9 for 4 after 5. 3 overs yet to be bowled, and power over yet to be bowled, yet to be seen. Many actions await. Umpire, please wait. Okay, good to go. 9 for 4 after 5. A high full toss delivery. Straight away, no ball is the call from the umpire. They have taken one. Will they go for two? Well, they are happy with one. Couple of runs added to the tally. Now the score reads 11. Moves into the double digit. A free hit delivery. And Anupama, she wasn't ready at all. Priyanka Bundela bowling the second over. In the very first over, she conceded only one. Took a wicket as well. Oh, fuller length delivery, cramping the batter for the room. Smart thinking this. Just tap and run. Once again, a lack of communication. And it cost them another wicket. It cost them -5 runs. The new batter comes out to bat. It's Shaili. Shaili Jha, another hard hitter, who is known for her finishing skills. She's known as a finisher, and she has got a job. It's the first clash going on from the women's category here in EPL 2025. Talati Titans against Selective 11. At the moment, Selective 11, they are all over Talati Titans. But last couple of deliveries have been very fruitful to them. Two back-to-back high full toss delivery, two back-to-back no balls, and the free hit delivery strays. Still the batter has gotten license. It's a dot ball, free hit delivery, turned out to be a dot ball. What else you want as a bowler? Oh, it's a third no ball in the span of 4 deliveries. Free delivery. 9 on the board. Oh, finally she connects but finds the fielder on the onside. Couple of dot balls to finish off the over. Number 6, 9 for 5, Talati Titans. 6 overs gone, 9 for 5. Well, two deliveries, 2 overs remaining. 2 balls remaining for Anupama. Couple of deliveries remaining for her in this inning. 3 deliveries, I beg your pardon, 3 deliveries. 17 balls faced by her. She scored 19, courtesy a boundary and a maximum. 3 गेंद बाकी हैं अनुपमा शाह. Olympica bowling the second over starts off with a crucial and a golden dot ball. Oh, she ducks. She ducks. She anticipated the ball might be coming over the waist height. Oh, what a view. Well, for a moment, Anupama has been clean bowled, but she has taken a review. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. We are still waiting for the third umpire's decision. And finally, the verdict from the third umpire is Anupama has to walk back to the pavilion. She has been clean bowled. एक हुआ ना डॉट से एक एक नहीं पता था देखता हूँ हाँ ठीक है देखता हूँ हर्षा ना हर्षा 7 overs gone to Talati Titans, 7 for 6, and finally it's the last over of an inning. That means it's a power over, a double trouble over. An over which can change everything. 6 deliveries. A risk versus reward. Seven for 6 after 7. So Kanta started this inning, bowled an exceptional spell of bowling, and now she is here again to bowl the most crucial over of an inning. Oh, bang on the money. It's very rare to see a bowler who is as consistent as Kanta at the moment in this over. Two back-to-back dot balls. And she's bowling in that channel, what we call a corridor of uncertainty. Could this be the third in the trot? Oh, full toss delivery. She connects it and straight to the fielder at long off region. There, well, the batter is relieved, and why not? It was a third delivery, could have been third delivery on the trot. But now she's relieved at the non-striker's end. Score reads 9 for 6. Every run scored in this over will be multiplied by 2. Shine is still there. Last 2 deliveries remaining. Oh, it was an opportunity. That ball went quickly to that fielder at short mid-wicket. She had very less time to react it. Could have been a stunner of a catch. But one can say, one has to applaud the effort by the fielder there. It's not an easy position to field. 9 for 6. And once again, it's 2 dot balls on the trot. Well, the batters, Harsha and Shaili, well, they have to run. They have to run for everything of this last ball of the inning. Where is Kanta? She would be itching to get the dot ball, the golden one. Oh, she connects it. Straight to the fielder, run out opportunity. Well, the body language seems very confident of the batter, and yes, she's happy. Look at them. That celebration, as if they have won the match already. Well, couple of runs added to the tally of the last ball of the inning will take the team's total of Talati Titans to 11. 11 for 6 after an end of an inning. What a great toss great toss won by Selective 11.
रनआउट फील्डर का नाम तो पता नहीं चलेगा ना.
बैटिंग टीम से कोई एक्स्ट्रा प्लेयर प्लीज भेज दीजिए स्कोरर के पास. All right then, welcome to the chase. Selective 11 required 12 to clinch a victory in this game. Lipika Jha and Pooja are the openers out in the middle for Selective 11. Shelly, the bowler. Oh, wonderful delivery that. As soon as she saw the batter making room for herself, she followed her and bowled a very crucial dot balls. Wicket is the only one way. With the help of wickets, Talati Titans, they can claw their way back into this game. So what if the batters disappointed? Talati Titans, they have got some great bowling unit. Wide is the signal. Well, the things are looking easier at the moment for the batting team. Oh, what a shot that was. What good timing, but equally well fielded by the keeper, Dipali. A single to finish off the over number 1. An over that belonged to Selective 11. They scored 5 and without losing wicket. Well, Talati Titans, they need to find a bowler, someone who can deliver a bowl like Kanta did for her team. And after this inning, the most awaited clash gonna be happen from the men's category. Oh, it's out of here. It's out of here and the batsman has to go out of the turf. Thank you, DJ. Well, yes, it was a low-full toss delivery. Yes, it was an opportunity for the batter. The ball was demanding to be put away, was demanding to be hit. The batter obliged, but how? She timed it so beautifully that the ball went out of the turf. That means she has to go back to the pavilion. It's -5 runs for the batting team. And that's what the Talati Titans need. Only wickets can make their way back in this game, claw their way back into this game. A wicket of the very first delivery, bowled by Mona. Akshata, the new batter, out in the middle, the captain of the team. So at the moment, two of the most prolific batter out in the middle for selective 11. It's Pooja and Akshata. Very well bowled. Attacking the stumps, doing the basics, not trying to do any experiment at the moment. That has been the mantra for Mona. Full toss delivery. Look at how quickly she gets into that position to play that sweep on the onside. She's a complete package as a batter, Akshata. Good cricket all round. A better fielding effort required there by the fielder on the onside. Nevertheless, three back-to-back singles, 3 singles on the trot. Takes the team's total to 5 for 1 after 2. Some long discussion. I would urge umpires. They need to just inform the fielders that they have got only 25 minutes to complete the inning. Right, everything looks set now. 2 overs done, 5 for 1. Rima, the left-hander, to bowl the third over. Straight to the fielder. Dipali was there. It's so rare to see her miss fielding. A full toss delivery. A predetermined shot played by Akshata. Very early she decided to play that shot on the onside. Some part of the willow connects the ball and they get a single as well. Well, the equation looks simple and the approach of the batters too. Not looking to play shots for glory. Wonderful batting. So good to see. Four balls, 4 singles already in this over. Make it 5 on the trot. Well, Talati Titans, they need wicket. They need wicket right now. It's an opportunity. And finally, Rima struck. What a timely wicket this from the left-hander. It's so rare to see Rima does not deliver for the team. 3 overs done. Three overs, 5 for 2. Oh, that ball wasn't far from that fielder. And this is what happens when you as a batter hasn't faced the few deliveries of late. And finally, she finds the gap and gets a run as well. Anupama to bowl the 4th over. Well, she has a great game as a batter. Now it's time for her to deliver as a bowler. Oh, how did that miss the stump? The bowler has a hands-on head. The extra bounce there of that delivery saved the batter. Naini Shah. An opportunity. Has that been taken away? Yes, it has. Anupama. First with bat, now with the ball. Oh, she is creating a huge impact in this game. She's a true asset by all means. Well, everyone. Hello. Well, everyone was eagerly waiting for the batter who will come out to bat, and finally one can see it's Zara walking out to bat. Hello. Check. Hello. हाँ. Hello. लाइव जा रहे हैं. इन लोगों का कैसे क्या माइनस हो रहा है ना तो स्कोर चाहिए रहता है. 4 overs gone. 4 overs gone. Selective 11. 2 for 3. Two for 3. Selective 11s. They need another 10 of 24 deliveries. Oh, it's a catch practice. It is a catch practice for the fielders likes of Dipali. This is an exceptional bowling effort from Talati Titans. Courtesy their bowling and fielding, they are pulling the things back strongly. What a team, what a team this. And there she is, walking out to bat, Kanta Prajapati, the owner of the team. The score is now -3. Char wicket, -3. -3 is the score for loss of 4 wicket. Pooja has played 10 balls, 10 deliveries. Well, Talati Titans at the moment seeing Pooja as a threat, who is at the non-strikers end of the moment, and Kanta straight away was looking to play that shot, which was way outside the off stump. Only Surya Kumar Yadav can play that shot. And finally, a very good looking sweep shot. Takes a single, gets off the mark. That's what the batter wants. As soon as they come out to bat out in the middle, the first run is as crucial as anything. No. The last thing they need to bowl is an extra delivery, an extra run. No need to bowl some freebies. You don't have much in kitty to save. Almost. Could have been second one in this over. Pooja, the batter. This could be the big fish. And Talati Titans, they sense it. They know the value of this wicket. Good batting. Pooja is the one batter who doesn't panic irrespective of the circumstances. Loves to take the challenge, loves to bat under pressure. Too many dot balls will mount the pressure up on the batters. 5 overs done and score is null. It's 0 for loss of 4 wicket. How many times you get to see the scorecard like this? 0 for 4 and selective 11 need 12 of 18 is the equation. And finally that signal from the match officials comes. It's a power over. As they say, once in a match, there comes an over which changes everything. This is that over. It's a double trouble over. Acha. Acha. Oh, that's a third dot ball on the trot. Kanta Prajapati, what have you done there? All she needed. Well, all she needed, just tap the ball, place it on the offside, crossover, take a single. Oh, that dot ball will cost them a minus 10 run, a deduction which will definitely haunt them. Now the score reads -6. Unbelievable, unbelievable game. We did talk about how brilliant a bowler Prajapati is. She bowled an exceptional spell of bowling when she was bowling, but now Rima is doing what Kanta did in the first inning. Both the left-handers are doing the things great for the team. Swing and a miss. The length that Rima is bowling is not an easy at all for the batters to pick, especially when you just come out to bat. Oh, she's a champion bowler, without a shadow of doubt. Rima, take a ball. What a tremendous bowler she is, bowling a great over under tremendous pressure. And almost single-handedly, she has turned the tide. Two dot balls on the trot. The ball was in the air. Opportunity for the fielder. Was a difficult one though. Two fielders running after it. And the batters, well, they have completed two as well. Six over done, -2 for 5. So the double trouble over, the power over that belonged to Talati Titans. They got a prize scalp of the batter Kanta Prajapati. Now the equation is 13 of 12. Talati Titans, they would be eyeing to get at least one more wicket from here on. Various selective 11. All they need, just play for singles. Single and doubles will do for them from here on. And if there are any extras being bowled by the bowlers, that will make the things easier for them. But you never know. That's the beauty of cricket. No one can predict the outcome of the match. Where it is a free hit delivery and the batsman hasn't scored a run. How many times you get to see that? "12 of 11. This is nerve-wracking. Off the back foot, in the gap as well. "11 of 10. Fielding team taking all the time in this world to make sure that they have got the right fielder at the right position for the bowler, for the bat as well. Playing across the line, time and again. Not a good option as a batter. Almost a replica of the previous delivery. An action replay of the previous delivery. The ball was around the off stump, almost at the fifth stump of the off stump. And the batter, always wanted to play that shot on the onside, irrespective of the ball's length or line. 11 of it. Selective 11. They'll have to find one. One of the batter has to time it so beautifully that the ball must go to the fence. They need a boundary at any cost. One boundary will do the things for selective 11. Very good shot. Straight to the fielder. Rima, the fielder, was there. Some confusion between the fielders. Nevertheless, single taken. Selective 11, 3 for 5 after 7. Now they need 9 of 6 deliveries.
चुका है, मोनिका का 2 हो चुका, अनुपमा का
Hello, hello. Stop what you're doing at the moment, because we have got a cliffhanger in our hand. 8 required of 6. White ball to start off. Oh, they are going for 2. Both the batters at the same end. A good throw required. This is great game awareness. Where could have been only 1 run, turned out to be a couple of runs. The first match in the kids category went down to the wire. Now the first match in the women's category going down the wire. Very well fielded by Meher, and once again they're doing what they did of the previous delivery, and once again they have got to. What a match we are having. चार पे चार. Hello. Hello. 4 required of 4 deliveries. Everyone watching this game sitting on the edge of the seat. Straight back to the bowler. They will still go for a run. Oh, these batters are unstoppable. They are going for a run for everything. The moment they connect with the bat. Three of three. नहीं
अनिल भाई
Four required of 4 deliveries. Now 3 required of 3 deliveries if this run is completed. Third umpire is into the act.
she's in.
अंदर है
19.
All right, umpires, it's a not out. Last ball for Pooja as a batter. She has faced 19 deliveries, scored 18. 3 required of 3 deliveries. Wonderful looking sweep shot on the onside. Bhagwati using her all experience at this crucial juncture of the match. Everyone holding their breath. Who will hold their nerves? Outside edge! And the wicketkeeper drops it. And they are going for one. The score is level. And Pooja has to go back to the pavilion. Pooja is retired, not out. The score is level. She is walking off to a thunderous applause. What a batter. Came out to bat as an opener, remained not out. 1 required of 1. All right. Who can be the hero of the match? Is it going to be Shaili? Is it going to be Priyanka? Oh, it's a wide delivery. It's a wide delivery. What have you done, Shaili? Well, now they are in positive, but she still has to complete the over. She still has to complete the over. Now they need only a wicket. All everything a batter need at the moment. Just tap the ball, block the ball, and they're going for a run. They don't. Oh, they don't. They shouldn't, and they have won it. Selective 11 have won it. Oh goodness gracious. Till the very last ball bowled, you never know who's gonna win it. Eventually, it was Selective 11, was a better team than Talati Titans. But let's not take anything away from the Talati Titans. A brave, brave fight by them.
लाइव में दे रहा हूँ सीधा पूरा ही बंद कर दो इधर बंद हो जाएगा लाइव में आ जाएगा
इधर जेब में रखो भाई